Sometimes you may wish to add chart objects, notices, or nav text warnings to your charts manually. In the FMD ECDIS, the function which allows you to do this is called manual updates. The manual update function is only available in Navi mode. To create and add a new chart object using the manual update function, you can start by right-clicking on the chart in the approximate position where you want the object to appear. Or you can start by clicking on the Manual Update button in the Instant Access bar. There are two pages in the Manual Update window. List contains a list of all the manually created updates that are currently applied, deleted, or removed on your charts. Planning is used to create and apply new objects to the charts. To create a manual update, you start by clicking on the Add button to open the Select Object window. The Select Object window allows you to choose from a long list of different types of chart objects. The Drawing Type drop-down menu allows you to choose between three general types of objects. Point contains point objects such as buoys, beacons, buildings, checkpoints, lights, etc. Line contains line objects such as cables, bridges, navigation lines, rivers, railways, shoreline constructions, etc. Area contains area objects such as administration area, anchorage area, caution areas, fairways, restricted areas, submarine transit lanes, etc. Since we want to make a south cardinal buoy, then we choose Point in Drawing Type and scroll the list of objects until we find the symbol of a cardinal buoy. When we have found the cardinal buoy symbol, then we click on it. Then we move the cursor near to the position 51 degree 41.9 north, 005 degree 06.3 west where we want the cardinal buoy to be, and click with the cursor. Then to edit your position of the inserted cardinal buoy, go to Position in the Attributes list. Then enter the appropriate latitude and/or longitude in the Edit Attributes value list. You can then select other options in the attributes list and define shape, color, category, time period, etc. of the object. So the manual update is displayed correctly in the charts when the update is committed. The annotation box allows you to add a textual comment to the manual update. This text could be information about who was responsible for creating the update, and/or information about from where the update information was received. That is navtext, notices to mariners, pilot, radio broadcast, etc. When the update configuration is completed, then you must click on the Commit button to commit the manual update to the charts. When a manual update object is displayed in the chart, then it is shown with a thin orange line attached. The thin orange line is an indication of that the operator created the chart object manually. The manual update window also allows you to modify, remove, or review an object. To do so, switch to the list page. Select an object that you want to modify from the object list, and then click on the Modify button to edit the manual update which needs to be changed. When Modify is clicked, the manual update planning page is opened automatically. Then we modify the attributes, annotation, or attributes value of the object, and commit the changes to the charts. If you want to completely remove a manual update from the chart, then you use the Remove button. Choose the object to remove from the object list, then click on Remove. When you want to see a removed manual update again, then use the Review button. When an object is chosen in the list, and the Review button is clicked, the object is again shown in the chart, in highlighted orange color. When Review button is clicked again, then the object is removed from the chart again. If you want to delete an object, then place the cursor over the object in the chart and right-click. The context-sensitive menu will then appear, and you can select Manual Update to drop down the list of available update actions. In the drop-down list you must click on Delete. The Delete Object dialog will then appear. In the Delete Object dialog, you must then click on the appropriate object to delete. The selected object will be shown in the preview window, and the Delete button will become active. Click on the Delete button to delete the selected object. The deleted object will be indicated by an orange diagonal line, crossing the object in the charts. The Clear All button in the Manual Update list will clear all manual updates for good when clicked. So be careful to do so.